I locked myself in a room until I made $10,000 per month. Look, I know that sounds extreme, and you know what? Maybe it is. But let me explain why I did it and why it might be exactly what you need to do too if you're serious about changing your life. By the end of this video, you're going to understand what it really takes to go from zero to $10,000 a month online and why most people never even get there. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world. And I come from the low middle class. So if I could do it, I think you can too. So why did I decide to lock myself in a room and go full hermit mode? Because I was tired of making excuses. I was tired of blaming my environment, my friends, my lack of luck, my circumstances, all of it. I realized that as long as I had an excuse, valid or not, I had an escape route. And as long as I gave myself an escape route, I wasn't going all in. What I needed was a do or die mindset. I'll be vulnerable with you here. I've always had the fear of doing everything right and still falling flat on my face with no results to show for. And funny enough, apparently, I'm not the only one feeling this way. This is what causes the fear of failure in people. Except that usually, people combat the fear of failure by not even starting at all. When you think about it, it's pretty fucking stupid. Because if you don't get started, what do? You literally guarantee your worst nightmare. You fail 100% of the time. And then I asked myself, how do I guarantee success instead of failure? Well, it's quite simple. I just wasn't going to quit until I got what I wanted. That's the only way to guarantee success, by not quitting. Most people want to keep one foot in and one foot out, so that if things don't work out, they can just say, well, I didn't really try that hard anyway. But that's exactly why they never succeed. You can't half-ass your way to $10,000 a month or more. You can't casually build a business in your spare time while maintaining your entire previous lifestyle and expect to get rich. It doesn't work like that. The higher you want to go, the more you'll have to sacrifice. But I'll be honest with you, I've had days where I've made over $2,000, just under $3,000, and I was watching Netflix for most of the day like a lazy bum. So it's like, if I could do it, that should tell you something. But look, I knew that to build an online business and make 6, even 7 figures a year, I'd need to work my ass off to make it happen. So I decided I was going to eliminate every single distraction from my life for as long as it took. So that would mean phone off most of the day. No social media scrolling, no parties, no going out with friends every weekend. I created a hyper-focused daily routine. I'd wake up at 5 a.m. to work, I'd hit the gym, eat, work, sleep, repeat. That was it. For months, that was my entire existence. And you know what? It sucked on some days, I'll be honest. It felt lonely sometimes. It was hard. There were days where I questioned if I was just losing my mind. And days where, to be honest, I didn't even want to get out of bed. But it worked. I've gotten to the point where I've made thousands of dollars in profit in single days. And that, my friend, is an awesome fucking feeling when you come from the low middle class, when you've always struggled with money. I felt like I was finally getting my revenge on life and on all the people who didn't believe in me. Now, before you think I'm telling you to become some weird, isolated, hustle culture addicted hermit forever, hear me out. This isn't about work-life balance, because balance comes later. This is about understanding that if you want to achieve something extraordinary, you need to be willing to do something extraordinary. And for a season, that might mean obsession. That might mean sacrifice. That might mean doing things that seem extreme to other people. The first thing I did when I locked myself in that room was commit to tracking my daily progress. But here's the key. I tracked it, but I didn't check it every 2 minutes like an obsessive freak. I'd write down what I did each day, how many people I reached out to, how many sales calls I had, how much money I made, etc. But I only reviewed those numbers once a week. Because if you're constantly checking your stats every hour, you're going to drive yourself insane. You're not actually going to do the work. You'll burn out very quickly, believe me. By the way, if you want me to personally teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day, I've made a free training that explains my 3-step process. It's the first link in the description or pinned comment. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. I'm also going to give you a step-by-step game plan so you know exactly what to do to get your first customers. And you might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month or more. Link in the description, but be quick because spots fill up very fast. The second thing I did was I chose a business model and stuck with it. I can't tell you how many times before this I would jump from anything, like from dropshipping to affiliate marketing to crypto to TikTok to whatever the hell was trending that week. And you know what I had to show for it? Nothing, because I never stuck long enough at something to actually get good at it and see real results. This is what we call shiny object syndrome. And this is the single biggest wealth killer out there. You better watch out for it because it's coming for you. So I picked selling digital products and coaching because they had the highest profit margins, on average 90 to 95%. And I committed to it like my life depended on it. I didn't care if someone told me Amazon FBA was the new hot thing. I didn't care if I saw some kid on Instagram flexing about day trading. I had made my choice and I was seeing it through no matter what. And that singular focus is what changed everything for me. Most people think they're not successful because they're not smart enough, because they're not talented enough, because they're a woman, because of their race, accent, sexuality, whatever. That's not the reason. Sure, certain factors make it harder to become successful, but they can't fully stop you because money is a man-made resource. Everybody can have more money. It just takes the right strategy and not giving up. The real reason most people don't succeed, aside from giving up too early, is because they can't focus. Either they can't focus on one thing, but even if they do pick one thing, they just don't do the work it takes. Like that's it. Here's something that most people don't understand. The first dollar you make matters more than the $10,000 mark. Why? Because that first dollar is proof. It's proof that what you're doing actually works and has merit. It's proof that people will actually pay you money for what you're offering. Once you make that first sale, that first dollar, it's just a matter of scaling it. But until you make that first dollar, you're just guessing, you're just hoping. So I obsessed over getting that first sale. And when it came, everything shifted. Because now I could allow myself to think, well, if it happened one time, it can and it will happen again and again. My philosophy has always been, if you can get a client, then you can get 10. If you can get 10, you can get 100. And if you can get 100, you can get 1,000. You get my point. Most of the time, our limits only exist in our mind. Now, let me tell you what I learned during those months of isolation and extreme focus. Success is not about addition, it's about subtraction. I know it's quite shocking. The hustle culture fanatics would have us believe more success equals more hard work. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Billionaires don't work 100 hours a day. They leverage systems, things that allow them to scale without spending more time. So it's not by adding more hacks, more strategies, more tools, more hours of work that you're going to get more successful. It's about cutting away everything that's not essential. Cutting the distractions, cutting the excuses, cutting the people who don't support your vision, and cutting the habits that are holding you back. Most people mistakenly think they need to do more to be successful. They need to learn more, consume more content, and think more. But the truth is, you probably already know enough to get started. What you don't have is focus. What you don't have is the discipline to cut out everything else and just execute on what you know. That's what locking myself in that room taught me. When you remove all the noise, when you remove all the other options, when you remove all potential distractions, you're forced to actually do the work. And the work is what gets you results. If you want to learn how I built an online business that makes thousands of dollars a day in profit while working just a few hours a day and traveling the world, I made a free training breaking down my 3-step process. The link will be in the description and pinned comment. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or my team to find out what's holding you back from making more money and get a step-by-step game plan on exactly what to do. And if it's a good fit, you might get the opportunity to join my premium mentorship program where I'm gonna hold you by the hand until you make 10K per month consistently. So when you're done watching this video, check it out, but be quick because we've got very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, there's a harsh truth you need to understand. Obsession is required for a season. It's not forever, but for a season, you need to be obsessed if you actually want to be successful. You need to be the person who wakes up thinking about their business and goes to sleep thinking about their business. You need to be the person who can't stop talking about it, can't stop working on it, can't stop thinking about the next move. Obsession is not unhealthy when it's directed towards building something meaningful, something that will change your life and the lives of the people that you love. That's what it takes. Once again, the whole work-life balance thing comes later. Once you hit your goals, once you've built the foundation, once you have systems in place, then you can have balance. Then you can take vacations without anxiety. Then you can spend time with your friends and family without feeling guilty. But trying to have perfect balance while you're building from scratch, well, that is just an excuse to not go all in, and all it's going to do is to slow you down. Something I had to learn the hard way is that comfort is the enemy of growth. When I locked myself in that room until I made 10K per month, I wasn't very comfortable. I was making myself do uncomfortable things every single day. But that discomfort is what allowed me to make more money. That discomfort is what made me figure things out. Doing things I wasn't used to doing is what forced me to take action instead of just consuming more information, which only leads to analysis paralysis and no extra money in your bank account. And you know what else happened during those months? People didn't understand when I went all in on my business. My friends said I was crazy. My family was concerned. People would ask me to hang out and I'd say no, and eventually they stopped asking. And maybe that hurt, but you know what? Results speak louder than words. When I finally came out of that room and I was making $10,000 a month, suddenly everybody understood. Suddenly everybody wanted to know how I did it. And suddenly everybody was impressed. Of course. Oh, and some people started calling me lucky, of course. But if only they knew. Here's what I want you to understand. You don't need to literally lock yourself in a room until you're making 10K per month like I did. But you do need to create that level of focus in your own way. You need to eliminate as many distractions as possible. And above all, you need to stop making fucking excuses. You need to commit to one path, one business model, and see it through. You need to be willing to be uncomfortable. You need to be willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term success. You need to be willing to have people not understand you for a while. Most people aren't willing to make these kinds of sacrifices, and that's why they spend their whole lives poor, miserable, depressed. It's on them. If you don't get your shit together right now, you have to realize the alternative is staying exactly where you are, continuing to dabble, continuing to make excuses, continuing to blame your circumstances as to why you don't have the things that you want in life, continuing to jump from one opportunity to the next without ever committing. And if that's the path you choose, that's fine. But then, don't you wonder why you're not making $10,000 a month? Don't wonder why success keeps eluding you. I locked myself in a room without distractions so I could grow my business because I was desperate for change. I was tired of being broke. I was tired of not living up to my potential. I was tired of making excuses and not being able to look at myself in the mirror. And that decision changed everything. You don't have to do exactly what I did, nor do you have to be as extreme as I am in my commitment to success and making money. But you do have to do something different than what you're doing now. Because if you keep doing the same things, you're going to keep getting the same exact results. Now, don't take it from me because Einstein said it himself, and apparently he's a pretty smart guy, so that's that. If you want me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world, I've made a free training that explains my 3-step process. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a step-by-step game plan so you can start your business and get your first customers. And if it's a good fit, you might even get the opportunity to work with me closely one-on-one and get access to my premium mentorship program where I'm gonna hold you by the hand until your business makes $10,000 a month or more. The links will be in the description below. But be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.